The Food Service Exchange presents.
Known throughout the K-12 segment for their reliability and longevity, Beverage Air milk coolers offer form and function for any existing or newly designed school food service application. Single and dual access models with cold wall or forced air systems in 8, 12, and 16 crate capacity are all available in white and stainless steel exteriors, giving each food service director the ability to match a Beverage Air milk cooler to their individual needs. Optional stainless steel interior and corner bumper guard features provide added protection against daily wear and tear. Easy open drop lids make for easy crate loading and accommodate students of all sizes. Hinge locks ensure student safety during service periods. Each Beverage Air milk cooler has a reinforced single-piece stainless steel floor to prevent sagging and corrosion while extending the overall life of each unit. An integrated drain line connection provides ease of use for any condensation draining or interior cleaning following service. With the added energy savings of an R290 refrigeration system and a 7-year compressor warranty standard, Beverage Air milk coolers offer unmatched value to operators.